Genetics is the scientific study of genes, the hereditary material that carries instructions for the development, functioning, and traits of living organisms. It explores how genes are inherited, their role in variation, and their impact on health, offering insights into the fundamental mechanisms shaping life's diversity and continuity. Genetic inheritance * studies how traits and characteristics are passed from one generation to the next through genes. 2. Genetic variation * examines the diversity in genetic makeup within a population and explores factors contributing to genetic differences among individuals. 3. Genetic disorders and diseases * investigates the role of genetic mutations and abnormalities in causing hereditary conditions and diseases, leading to advancements in diagnosis and treatment. Inside cells, intricate molecular processes unfold, governed by genetic instructions. The nucleus holds DNA, the blueprint of life. Organelles like mitochondria generate energy, while the endoplasmic reticulum aids in protein synthesis. Cellular structures, orchestrated by complex interactions, sustain life and enable functions vital for an organism's existence. Nucleus * central organelle containing DNA, governing genetic information and directing cellular functions. Mitochondria * powerhouse of the cell, producing energy, ATP, through cellular respiration. Endoplasmic reticulum * facilitates protein synthesis and transport, with rough ER hosting ribosomes. Golgi apparatus * modifies, packages, and transports proteins within or outside the cell. Ribosomes * cellular structures that synthesize proteins from genetic instructions. Cell membrane * regulates substances entering and exiting the cell, maintaining internal balance and cell integrity. Organisms are living entities, encompassing a vast array of life forms from microscopic bacteria to complex multicellular organisms. Shaped by evolution, organisms exhibit diverse structures, functions, and behaviors, interacting with their environments. Understanding the intricate web of life contributes to our knowledge of biodiversity and ecosystems. Evolution * study of how species change over time through genetic processes, adaptation, and natural selection. Ecology * examination of interactions between organisms and their environments, including ecosystems, populations, and communities. Physiology * exploration of the functions and mechanisms of organisms' internal systems, encompassing processes like metabolism, reproduction, and growth. Behavioral biology * investigation of behaviors exhibited by organisms, including mating rituals, communication, and responses to stimuli. Genetics * analysis of heredity, variation, and molecular mechanisms governing traits within populations. In biology, groups are essential for systematically categorizing diverse organisms based on shared characteristics, facilitating our understanding of biodiversity. Mammals, warm-blooded vertebrates with mammary glands, include humans, dogs, and whales. Birds, characterized by feathers and wings, encompass eagles, sparrows, and penguins. Reptiles, cold-blooded vertebrates with scales, range from snakes to turtles. Amphibians, like frogs and salamanders, undergo metamorphosis. Fish, aquatic vertebrates with gills, include salmon and sharks. Insects, with exoskeletons and segmented bodies, comprise ants, butterflies, and beetles. Plants, multicellular photosynthetic organisms like trees and flowers, contribute to ecosystems. Fungi, non-photosynthetic organisms like mushrooms, play crucial roles in decomposition. These groups, based on evolutionary relationships and shared features, form the foundation of taxonomy, facilitating scientific communication and contributing to our comprehensive understanding of the living world. Medicine, a holistic exploration of health and healing. Medicine is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses a vast array of knowledge and practices aimed at understanding, maintaining, and restoring health in individuals and populations. Key disciplines within medicine, including anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, immunology, microbiology, epidemiology, and medical ethics, collectively contribute to the comprehensive understanding and advancement of medical science. Anatomy and physiology, unveiling the human body's marvels. Anatomy delves into the intricate structures of the human body, exploring organs, tissues, and systems. This foundational knowledge is indispensable for medical practitioners as it forms the structural basis for understanding physiological functions. Physiology, on the other hand, investigates the mechanisms and processes that enable the body to function, addressing questions about how organs and systems work together to maintain homeostasis. The synergy between anatomy and physiology is essential, forming the basis for diagnosing abnormalities and planning medical interventions. Pharmacology, the science of drugs and healing. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their effects on the body. It intersects with anatomy and physiology, as drugs often target specific anatomical structures or physiological processes. Understanding the intricate interactions between drugs and the body enables healthcare professionals to prescribe medications tailored to individual needs, accounting for variations in anatomy and physiology. Pathology, deciphering disease mechanisms. Pathology explores the nature, causes, and effects of diseases. It integrates with anatomy and physiology by elucidating how abnormalities in structures or functions lead to pathological conditions. This understanding is fundamental for accurate diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment planning. Pathologists work closely with anatomists and physiologists to correlate clinical presentations with underlying structural and functional changes. Immunology, the body's defense mechanism. Immunology focuses on the immune system's response to infections, diseases, and foreign substances. It intertwines with pathology, as the immune system plays a pivotal role in combating pathological conditions. Knowledge of anatomy is essential for understanding the distribution of immune cells, while physiology explains the dynamic responses of the immune system. Immunological insights are crucial for developing vaccines, treating autoimmune disorders, and managing infectious diseases. Microbiology, unveiling the microscopic world. Microbiology investigates microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It collaborates with pathology and immunology by identifying causative agents of diseases and elucidating their mechanisms. Understanding the microscopic world enhances diagnostic capabilities, guiding the development of treatments and preventive measures. Microbiologists work alongside pathologists and immunologists to unravel the complexities of infectious diseases. Epidemiology, navigating disease patterns. Epidemiology studies the patterns, causes, and effects of diseases within populations. It collaborates with microbiology, pathology, and immunology to track disease spread, identify risk factors, and implement preventive measures. The interplay between epidemiology and these disciplines is crucial for managing public health, understanding disease dynamics, and devising strategies for disease control. Medical ethics, guiding compassionate practice. Medical ethics involves the application of ethical principles to healthcare. It intersects with every aspect of medicine, ensuring compassionate and responsible medical practice. Ethical considerations influence decisions in anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, immunology, microbiology, and epidemiology. As practitioners navigate complex medical scenarios, ethical guidelines provide a moral compass, guiding decisions about patient care, research, and public health interventions. In essence, these disciplines within medicine form an interconnected web, each contributing unique insights while relying on the foundations laid by the others. Anatomy and physiology provide the structural and functional groundwork, pharmacology introduces therapeutic interventions, pathology identifies deviations from health, immunology explores the body's defense mechanisms, microbiology uncovers the microscopic world, epidemiology navigates disease patterns, and medical ethics guides compassionate and responsible practice. The collaborative efforts of these disciplines propel medical science forward, fostering a holistic approach to understanding, preventing, and treating diseases for the betterment of individual and societal health. And that's our map of biology, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me building up this channel knowing that I have support. Also, the next video we will be talking about mathematics, and once again, that's for watching. Goodbye.